Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix microphone if not working in Windows 11. If you're trying to have a voice chat or maybe you just want to record something but your microphone not working, then I'll show you how you can fix it. So first you have to go and open the Windows icon and then click onto the settings to open the settings. Once the settings are open, then you have to click on privacy and security, and then you have to find the option microphone. Once you have clicked onto it, you have to enable it and then check if it is working or not. And if you want to try it, use it on a specific app, make sure it is turned on for it. If not, you have to do it and check. There are chances that your microphone will be working, but let's say you have tried it, if not working, then you have to go to the device manager and you have to find the options related to microphone there. Once you have find the option related to microphone, you have to just simply expand the further option, and then you have to update the drivers. For that, do a right click on update drivers and go through these options. You have to repeat this process for every driver of your microphone. If you have less option or maybe more, you have to try it out on every option, and then it will update the drivers and microphone issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.